This is my friend from India. He's a talented man. Now he will tell us, show us what he got. Go, my brother.
ਹੋ ਪੁੱਤ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਕਰੇ ਡਰਾਈਵਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਪਗਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਹੋ ਗੱਡੀ ਵੱਟਦੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਵਾਟਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੀਨੇ ਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਓਏ ਤੇਰਾ ਚੇਤਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਤੇਰਾ ਚੇਤਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੇ ਚੰਦ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਦਾ ਚਿੱਤ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਾ ਮੁਟਿਆਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਦਾ ਚਿੱਤ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਾ ਮੁਟਿਆਰੇ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਟਰੱਕਮੈਨ
Huh?
Trucker man.
I'm a truck driver.
Yes.
You are YouTuber?
Sorry?
You also YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm doing YouTube at the side. Yeah. So I work with this company for 10 years. Yeah. My brother, you got talent.
Which song is sing? That song is trekking song.
Trucking song. Okay.
It's a trekking song. This
Trucking
was
song.
Punjabi
Okay.
trekking song.
So this one, what we do now, yeah? Put it on your YouTube.
He
Yes, put it on your YouTube.
he said when I am going to the truck
Yeah.
and my girlfriend
Yeah.
wait for me and I miss her,
Okay.
that he explained his song.
Sometimes when I go away, my wife wait for me as well.
Oh.
So that's a good one. Come on again. Give me a next piece of it, man. I like it. I like your voice.
Okay, thank you.
Come on. So now remember this is going on
another
YouTube.
Song. This only another song.
Yeah, okay.
ਹੋ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਕਲੋਨੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਡੈਡ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਮੋਹਾਲੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਨਾਲ
Good
ਜੀ
voice.
ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੱਟਦੇ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਤਾਂ ਸੋਚਣੀ ਮੁਹਾਲ ਜੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਗੁੜ ਉਹਦੇ ਹਰ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਪੂਰੇ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਰੱਬ ਵੀ ਗਰੀਬ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੌਥੇ ਆਈਫੋਨ ਦਾ ਤੜਾਤਾ ਰਹਿਟਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਐਕਸ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
You're a professional singer. So what you want to say to your friends and family back home in India? Because this will go on YouTube.
my no YouTube channel.
No.
Actually,
You are speaking to the public.
Listen,
we like the
Okay,
Jamaican.
all right.
We like the African
Yeah.
people,
You got
Jamaican
Instagram?
people.
Actually, he is a very shy guy.
Yeah,
So
okay.
that's why he can't say anything.
Yeah.
But I'm saying just from behalf that guy.
Yeah.
So can you listen my all song on a YouTube channel and
Yes.
subscribe my channel and follow on Instagram. You
Follow
can
on
Can you tell the audience where can they find
Yeah,
you?
Davinder.ss my
What's your Instagram?
Yeah, Davinder.ss in my Instagram channel.
Okay. Are you also on Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, I have
no,
no.
just
Facebook,
Instagram.
only just Instagram.
Okay. So what about you, my brother? Where can they
I
find
love
you?
He
music.
is also singer.
Yeah.
I love music.
He is also singer.
So I'm all life dedicated to my singing life.
Yeah.
Because it's an out of my passion. It's in my blood. So that's why all the time I'm missing my singing.
Yeah.
But I wanna grow in the world.
Yeah.
So going to Punjabi language in the world. So that's why.
Yeah. So you also is a singer. So how can the audience find you? Can you show to your Instagram and your YouTube page for them?
My Instagram Jasvi JASV
Yeah.
Victory double E.
Okay.
31@gmail.com. You
Yeah.
can search. You can watch all my YouTube channel and Instagram. I posted already
Edo thodi bari
various
hai.
video.
Okay. That's good, man.
इधर देखी.
This is my big brother. You is from Manila.
Manila.
Yeah.
Shout out to Manila.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Gaana
My
da ga.
brother, been a pleasure meeting you
He
guys.
also sing.
Shall I call you? I wanna see you again. Shall we meet you? I wanna kiss you again. ਸ਼ਾਮ ਆ ਸੁਨਹਿਰੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਰੰਗ ਵਰਗੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਦੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Thank you so much.
भाई नवा
Talent,
गाना यार।
talent you got. He's
नवा
talented,
गाना, नवा
talented guy.
ये लिखे पे है मेरे
Guys,
को।
look, you're ready for the world. The both of you.
Yeah, actually we
You're
are
ready for the
clique. We are clique. It's
Yeah.
our part-time job.
Yeah.
So-
At the moment where you are at the moment, that's okay. But you're ready for the world. You two are you got
Yeah,
talent.
we are start
Yeah.
a career in music.
Yeah.
When we guys meet here,
Mhm.
so first we drink tea.
Yeah.
You know what that meaning of tea? It's
Yeah.
a traditional drink.
Yes.
Especially for Punjab.
Punjab,
So
yes.
just like talk and drinking tea and after doing work.
Bro, yeah, that's it, bro. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Yeah.
I love you,
Yeah, and remember to subscribe so you will see this.
Yeah,
in
sure.
a couple of
Already
days,
I subscribed
Yeah,
to the
so
channel.
you will definitely see
Give your
your
barcode.
footage. Yeah. All right. Thank you for subscribing and sharing the
What is
channel
your
as well.
barcode?
Sorry,
Your barcode.
my barcode. Okay, thank you.
ठीक है भाजी फिर मैं
So-
Okay.
All right.